doing?
Okay. All right, so today, folks, we're back out at the hive. This will be Cora's first inspection since the install. She installed, it's been 9 days due to the weather that we've been having. It's just taken us this long to get back to them. She's been chomping at the bit to do so. However, got a nice, pretty afternoon. We got home a little earlier than normal. Cora's gonna go through here. We're gonna do a little inspection and see what we can find. Keep watching. Give a little smoke under the lid. Raise it in the center. I can see the problem. See this comb right here? Use your sharp side. Okay, let's go ahead and just raise the lid. You want me to help you just a little? Okay, you hold the smoke. When you got one stuck and you got a problem, see you've got it broke loose here. Getting right here in the center. See that wax come loose out there in the middle?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the bees.
You want me to give them a little smoke?
Nope.
So what caused them to do that?
Okay, so this is your Pro Sweet and or nectar at work. When you pull this lid up and we don't have a queen excluder in play, you're going to look for her, just in the event that she's up here on this lid when we pop it. Okay? Do you see a queen on that anywhere?
No.
Okay, well what we're going to do, since we're going to do a little inspection, we're going to set them right there in the inner cover, but we're going to lean them right here against the hive. Okay?
How much water?
They have completely drank a full gallon. I mean, that is a clean
in 9
feeder.
days, right?
All right. You see anything going on here we don't want to
There's
disturb?
Something. Is there a queen here?
Yep, just bees hanging out.
Would the queen be on here?
Camera lady, can you see that empty feed tank down in there? Sun shining on it, and they're picking at the leftovers.
So they
Okay,
ate
Cora.
it all in 9 days?
Yep,
Okay, so is that just where
they're just hanging out.
Okay. Which
All
side
right,
do
so
you want me?
let's make some room so we can start in. Okay, and what we want to do is make our room on the edge, and let's utilize the fact that they're not on your last frame. Okay, so take this frame out first. Straight up, don't.
There's a few bees on it.
Okay, we'll try to be gentle. Okay, now just set that frame down in there where it's stable.
Can it lean up against
That, yep, that's perfectly fine. What do you see on your side?
There's not that much.
Okay, what I would do is just take your fingers. I think these should be pretty loose, and you'll just set it up here away from this frame.
Like right there?
Okay, yep.
Oh, look, they're
Yep.
attached.
Okay, now all the bees are chained. See how they chained when you move the frame?
Yeah.
See them all hanging, chaining together,
Yeah.
one side to the other. Okay, take this frame up slowly and look on that side and see what you got going on. Hold it out in front of you and turn it to you. Okay, what do you got happening on this frame?
Are they putting up?
See that white?
Yeah.
See how the cells here are still imprinted on the plastic?
Mm-hmm.
Here they're white and raised
So they're
off.
making
They're
comb?
building comb on that frame. Okay, put it back the way it was, but scoot it over against the far wall so that you've got room to work. Okay, ready to move another frame over. Now this frame appears to have bees on both sides. If you'll let me show you a little trick here. Come in on the opposite side and ease that frame up on that rest.
Oh, Daddy.
Putting up a little honey, ain't they?
Yeah.
That or a little pro sweet, huh?
You want me to pull this one?
Yep.
Up? Oh.
They've done a lot of work in 9 days, hadn't they?
Have they been? Oh.
They've kind of made a mess of this one, is what I would call that.
They can go under the comb.
That's exactly right. Okay, but here's the problem. We're going to have to leave it like they've got it. You know why?
Why? Can you?
If you can see, is it heavy?
Yes.
All right, let me get it where I can rest it on something. As you can see, these are baby bees. See that larva rolled up down in there?
Yeah.
So they have pulled that comb out, and they have got that queen has loaded it. All right. So if she's on this, we could cut this off, but it's full of brood.
Turn it just a little.
So we're gonna leave it for now, but we will eventually take that out.
Is that honey?
That is honey, capped honey. See the white caps?
Mm-hmm. So there's no babies right here?
No babies up top, just honey.
Is the queen on this frame?
Well, I didn't see her there, but she could be behind that comb.
Under. Is my queen going to be new, or is she going to
She's
be old?
new this year.
So she's going to be
And they're
very
building
small.
comb on the opposite side.
So is this raised from where they've been building it?
It is.
So they've already put up honey? And is that
Well,
normal
you got to
on this
think, now
side?
you fed them a whole gallon of Pro Sweet. They do a lot with that Pro Sweet.
But is this normal?
Yeah, it's pretty normal.
Except they don't normally build that.
This is
Mess.
not normal that they build it off like this. This is kind of an exception, but
Is that bad
no, it's not bad. It's just something we'll want to fix
when they get done
in the
hatching?
future. Yep.
It looks like they've done the same thing on this.
Okay, so grab you another frame and let's keep looking, see what all we got going on in here. These bees are nice and calm.
You got a lot of them too.
Okay. Try not to jar them. I know it happens. Straight up with a good grip. Ooh, look at the brood, Cora.
Can you hold it again? They make a lot of work in them. So is that?
Yep, now
do
we
you
can take that off.
So do I just pull it or
Yep,
does my
you
hive?
can just pull that off.
Oh, there's some honey. Is that
No,
honey?
that's capped brood, and there is a bunches of it.
So what is
Seeing
that?
this in the center, you see where the bees have hatched. You see the little gray
Oh, so-
bees compared to the
So those are babies? Oh, right,
yeah, the
right
little
there.
gray ones. Yeah, those are the new ones.
They're not that small.
Look at that.
So what are
Wow.
these? Why does it make it brown?
Well, that's just the cap that they put over the
Babies?
larva that is becoming a bee.
And is this where they're started putting
And this
up?
is their honey that they put above the brood.
So is this a
And
normal?
right there is a drone bee.
Right here?
See him right here? Okay, let's continue our search.
Let
FYI,
me take this
the
off.
low power came on.
You're gonna have some serious bunches of bees here.
Did you get mine?
All right, let's move this one.
Do you need the tool?
Okay, lots of bees
Oh.
hatched off of this side.
So this side is almost. I see a few gray bees.
Some larvae.
Lots of little drone brood down on the bottom.
I
That's the hilly stuff down there on the
Is
bottom.
that bad or?
Well, I want you to look at what's crawling around right in the middle of the frame, Cora. Look at her. Can you point to her for me? Nope, right. Nope. You're almost there.
Oh, I just lost
She's gonna
her.
hide from you right there at the end of your finger.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, she's a pretty one. Why
You
is she
see how
so
she
light?
just went and hid?
Why is she so light?
There she come back out.
Why is she such a light color?
Well, she's just kind of a
Is she laying
kind of a
eggs?
blonde girl. I guess her mom and daddy got her that color.
Is she laying eggs? Right
She is putting eggs in back in here where these bees have
now?
hatched from.
So how many will they keep making? Like, will they continue this all year?
They will continue this all year.
Oh, there's.
Oh, now look what she just did. She just put an egg in that cell. See her back end's down in the cell? See how they're responding to her?
Yeah.
And then now look, she's checking these cells to see who's got. Look,
Do you think
let's
she
see if we can
names
watch
them?
her do it one more time. Grankin, did you catch her in the cell? She inspects the cell, crawls over it. She is just doing her thing, Cora. See how all these nurse bees are around her?
Yeah.
All right, what do you think? Pretty good inspection. You satisfied? You've seen what you really needed to see?
Do we need to
We
take
know
that
she's
off?
here. She's fine.
Do we need to leave that?
Hmm?
Do we need to leave that?
Yeah, we'll just leave it. Not disturb them any more than we have to. You want to tell her good job? See her going?
Yeah. She's a big one, isn't she?
Jenny's a pretty girl. All right,
So are we going to
all
keep
right,
looking?
Mama. We're gonna put you back.
So is she normally in the
All right,
middle?
we've got her safely back now. We know,
What's
I can
that,
see that.
Daddy?
I don't know, little worm of some kind. Okay, so they've got brooding bees and all is well. We're gonna put this brood back together, right?
Oh, look, they changed it.
Uh-huh. Okay, now put that one back.
Now they won't have to change.
Okay, now let's leave that one over and take that other one.
Will they stop changing?
They're perfectly fine. Yep, they've kind of.
Okay, which
All
way
right,
does
now
it
let's
go
set
in?
that one right there.
Okay, but
We do a little. I know. We'll do a little shuffle on them,
are they going to...
and they'll get on to work with that one now. Okay.
I don't want to smash
Why don't you take your hive tool and get this, and this, and this, and this cleaned up.
Oh, can I separate that? Oh, what's that?
That is the queen cell where your queen was raised. She came out of that cell. That is a cell bar cup. Okay, go ahead and get us some more comb scraped off there, so maybe you won't have to deal with it so much next time. Okay.
So next time will we take the reducer off?
Next time you come, you need to bring them another frame. Probably in about we could actually feed them another round, or we could give them another frame and let them work on it with nectar. Kind of up to you.
Should I take that off? Do we need to mark the frame that she's on or
Nope,
anything?
nope, because she can go anywhere she wants to.
So will she lay eggs on all these frames?
She'll lay eggs everywhere there's comb. Okay. All right. Have you seen enough? You found your queen. Saw some drones. You saw they've kind of made a mess out of one of your frames. Well, we can address that later. You want to put your inner cover back on. And we want to be careful not to smash any bees.
Okay. So do I need to take off the comb
Yeah,
on
you
this
watch
side?
where your hand's going around and
Do I
around.
need to take the comb?
No, we'll be okay.
So this side down?
Yep.
Is it good?
You got it squared up.
Yes.
Okay. I'll try to let them off of you.
Okay. Does it matter which way this goes on?
Not really, no. All right.
When will we take the interest reducer off?
Let's just leave it another day or two, okay?
Oh, I see them carrying in pollen.
They're working hard. They got a lot of babies to feed.
You see?
Yep. All right, so your first inspection, you went in, you shuffled a couple of frames to give these bees the knowledge that they've still got more to do. You saw what a gallon of that Pro Sweet feed did to them. We could put more feed on them, but we've got a nectar flow going, as we saw in some of the comb. They're producing a little bit of drone brood. So you saw your queen, you saw her lay an egg. You saw a whole frame yet of brood to come off. So in another 7, 8, 9 days, we're going to come back with another frame. We're going to pull your feeder. We're going to move a frame, drop it in, and we're going to add that second box that you're going to paint, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for everybody watching, they saw what you found. So until we get to see them again, what do you want them to do?
Roll that beautiful feather.
Oh, come on, you can do better than that.
Roll that beautiful bee feather.
There it is. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Have a good afternoon.